Hi, Dharit sir. How are you?
Doing fine. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm good. So, Dharit sir, before we proceed further, can you give me a little introduction about yourself, about your company, what do you do, and how long you have been in this industry?
Uh, I basically belong to food and beverage industry. We happen to own four multiple cloud kitchens here in Ahmedabad. Uh, One of them is in Navaranpura, another one is in Prahlad Nagar, third one is in Bodakdev, and fourth one is in South Bhopal. These are 100% pure cloud kitchens wherein, there are no dine-ins available. It is a delivery only model. We're listed on Zomato and Swiggy. We're a multi-cuisine restaurant. I am the founder. We started in 2017, and currently we are a team of about 35 professionals, managing the whole show.
Yes, great. So, as you have a team of around 35 people, before coming to TaskOPad, how were you managing your team's task and team communication? And what do you think helped you after using TaskOPad?
I believe we have been using TaskOPad since last 1.5 years or so, and before that, it was quite a havoc, actually speaking. And to be honest and upfront, uh, managing task or assigning tasks to the users was indeed a difficult task for me, since we were growing, getting more team members involved, and specifically delegating my task to them. I had to focus on my growth, on the scalability. So I had to delegate. Earlier, the task that we used to, the task that we used to monitor or supervise was via, simple basic communication such as WhatsApp.
Correct.
One of the most simplest example that I can think of is about the hygiene management that we have in all four outlets. So there is this standard operating procedure wherein the user, after closing the outlet, after doing with all the sales and completing all the activities of the outlet, at the time of closure, the user has to take snaps of the outlet, wherein just to ensure that the outlet has been thoroughly cleaned. There are no materials, there are no raw materials, inventories, or leftovers there on the table. So the user had to take a pic, and we had a WhatsApp group wherein the user had to post the pic. That was absolutely fine. That was not an issue. The user would do that. The challenge was, since this industry has a lot of attrition rate, a lot of attrition rates. So most of the time, our executives, our central team executives, who was responsible for training those employees, those newcomers coming in, उनके लिए डिफिकल्ट होता था टू रिमेम्बर कि उनका एक स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर ऐसा है कि you have to take a pic or a video and upload it on a WhatsApp. So that was a challenge. And with the TaskOPad coming into the picture, I believe we have been using TaskOPad since 1.5 years. Yes, probably yes. Yeah. With TaskOPad coming into the picture, this process of training the newcomers coming into our team and working at the outlet, it became a simpler process for us, because in the TaskOPad there's a daily reminder that shoots up to the users कि आज आपको मतलब जैसे ये our closing was at 2:33 a.m. in the morning, तो 2:30-3 बजे वो नोटिफिकेशन चला जाता है TaskOPad के थ्रू कि now you have to do this standard operating procedure कि आपको ये फोटोज लेने और अपलोड करने. तो इससे ये हुआ, in addition to that, I was also able to set up a hierarchy in the TaskOPad कि एक बारी वो यूजर ने अपलोड किया, so a notification goes to the supervisor कि हाँ इन्होंने कुछ अपलोड किया है. So there was this this level of checks involved. So this has made easier for me कि नहीं चलो there's this TaskOPad involved. and the hierarchy is set कि ऐसे कोई simpler operations है जो procedures है वो set हो चुका है, और there are supervisors assigned कि जो users जो task दिए जाते हैं has that user completed that task or not. So this has helped me a lot कि मुझे इतना detail में नहीं जाना पड़ता है, and I can focus on other operational part of my business. So that is how it is.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dharit. So just one last question that, would you recommend TaskOPad to anyone? And if yes, then why? I mean, I just want a simple, one line answer you can give that why any company or any organization should use a task management and TaskOPad to increase their productivity.
Of course, I would recommend, and I have recommended many of my colleagues from food and beverage industry because I myself have seen the positives in implementing or executing this app in our company. I can definitely vouch for it, and I can definitely recommend. So yes, of course, it is good that it would be better, and it would make your management working far more efficient if you are implementing TaskOPad in your organization.
Thank you so much, Teresa, for the valuable feedback, and this really means a lot.
Most welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.